Okay, now we go to practice 2. Okay. Seperti biasa Anda akan mendengar native speakers membacakan 10 kalimat ini. Anda konsentrasi pada kata yang bergaris bawahi. You just concentrate to the words underlined. Okay. Which one is correct? Yang mana yang benar, right? Yang sebelah kiri atau kanan, on the left or on the right. Okay. Kita mulai dari number 1. Ready?
Do you have a new zither?
The correct answer is left. Yang benar sebelah kiri.
Are you able to close it?
Here the correct answer is left. Close. Okay. Number 3.
I can see the baby is teething.
The correct answer is left. Teasing. Okay. Number 4.
After the accident, they soothed him.
The correct answer is right. Okay. Next number.
The jockey was riding with his broken leg.
The correct answer is right. Rising. Okay. Number 6.
I have never known anyone worthier.
Here the correct answer is left. Next.
The farmer was seeding last night.
The correct answer is right. Next, number 8.
Does a donkey bay?
The correct answer is right. Bay. Okay. Next, number 9.
Those are short and stubby.
Here the correct answer is left. Okay. The last number.
It was not as indistinguishable as the utter.
The correct answer is right. Utter.